Hi guys, this is the next Unreal Engine 4 tutorial, and this one is about debugging and breakpoints. For demonstration we used the light switch project and the blueprint that we created for interacting with this light switch. So let me explain what a breakpoint is, or what debugging is. When you start the program and set a breakpoint here at a certain node, then the execution of the program will pause, and then you have, for example, the possibility to watch variables and their values at this point of execution. So let me show how to add a breakpoint at a particular node, for example this branch here, where we evaluate if the variable light off is set to true or false, and here you can right click, open the menu and add or toggle a breakpoint. You can also toggle the enable state of the breakpoint by pressing the F9 key for this node. Now the breakpoint is added, and the next thing I want to do is to open the debug window, and in this window you can, for example, see the values of your variables. I will dock it here to the other tabs, and then I select here or right click the light off variable and choose watch this value, and now it is added to my debug window. Then I will compile and start the game, and when we interact with this light switch, this is by pressing the E key, the node with the breakpoint will get the focus. You can see the execution path of the program here in a red color, which is animated, and the value of the light off variable in the debug window, which is currently set to true. Okay, light off is set to true. This means it is off. Now the upper execution path of the blueprint is chosen and the visibility of the light is set to false. Now I can execute this a second time by pressing the E key. Again, the breakpoint is hit. We can see the value of the light off variable, it is false, which means that the light should be toggled on. The animation of the light switch is played. Let's move one step further to the animation, and in the next step the visibility of the light is set to true. And you can prove this in your game. Just press resume and we come back to our game, and you can see that the light is turned on. Alright my friends, this was a very basic introduction to breakpoints. I hope you like it, and if you do, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please support me on my social platforms, support me on my Patreon if you like and if you could afford it, and come back soon to JNM.